Now I'm standing in front of what is or used to be a school. It's just around the corner from my apartment here in Donetsk, and recently it was hit by the Ukrainian army, most likely with NATO supplied weapons. It's just one of many schools that have been hit here in Donetsk by the Ukrainian army as they try to terrorize the local population. And many children have been killed as well. Just in the last 10 days, I've been to 2 funerals of children, 6-year-old Alina and the 8-year-old Maria, who were killed in playgrounds along with other children. Indeed, children killed in war, for me, is a particular failing of humanity. And increasingly here in Donetsk, it's being done with NATO-supplied weapons. Now, there's almost no Western reporters here in Donbass, Russian-held Donbass. And so the Western world simply doesn't get to hear about what damage to civilians and how many civilians and children are killed with the weapons that NATO supplies to Ukraine. So it's very, very important that a message is put out to NATO countries and indeed to Ukraine that NATO weapons should not be used to target and kill civilians, because that's what's happening here in Donetsk. Whatever you think about the war, it's important that Ukraine stops targeting civilians with NATO weapons.